In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install TikTok. It's 100% working, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to go ahead and download TikTok, regardless of whatever you're using, whether you're an Android like a Samsung or a Google phone, or if you're an iPhone as well. So if you're an Android, you got to use the Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone, you want to use the App Store, but go ahead and open it up. Then just go over to your search icon on both phones, go to search apps and games at the very top, and then type in TikTok. Once you go ahead and type it in, you should see it right there. And all you want to do, like let's say if I, just didn't have it installed, I would see a button for it just to be installed. I would just see one singular button because I already wouldn't have it installed. So all you want to do is just go ahead and press that install button. It is completely free, and then it's going to be downloading and everything. And then as you can see, it's now installing for me because it downloads first on internet, then it installs on your phone just using your phone's hardware. And then after that, you'll be good to go. So then once it's installed, it's just going to say open for you, and then that's it. You'll be able to start using TikTok. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.